Okay, let's do a quick setup on the bicycle and start with first things first and kind of work through our way. This sets the stage for what is next. And if we do it in the right order, the bike will work. The rear derailleur needs to be straight with the gears. And this limit, one of these screws, depending on whether it's the American or the Japanese system, will set this limit so that it only goes out this far. And it's just almost exactly, but a little bit to the right, so that it sounds clean when it turns. Next, click, and up one. That's about right. But there will be a screw, like a barrel adjuster, here or here on the lever, that when you turn it out will tighten this line. So that's like tuning a guitar. This makes it sharper, turning it back in makes it flatter. So it came up one. However many gears, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's a lot of gears on bicycles now. Click, click, click. One-handed mechanic here. Okay, the other screw of these two limits, wherever they are in the derailleur, stops the derailleur from going past this gear. So it should go clean on the gear, but not too far. And that's setting up that. Now, on the front derailleur, the limit screws, they're going to cross or be above the direction they're limiting. It depends on the design of the derailleur, but it needs to just touch that edge, and it needs to be just above this gear a couple of millimeters when it comes out to that gear. So that little limit and that height, and then being exactly parallel with the gear, is setting up the front derailleur. After that, it should click up. See, it almost does it there. So there's enough tension with the barrel adjuster on the shift lever, sharper, flatter, to come up one gear. They're designed to shift under load. That noise is okay because it's such an extreme chain line. Let's check it in the middle. It drops clean. Climbs clean. Let it all down here. That's the outside chain line. It's so far out this way that now it might rub on the outside instead of the inside. We'll see. Easy down, easy up. And something I didn't mention, easy up, full range of gears are available now. One thing I didn't mention is the bearings inside the frame. Just wiggle this, make sure that's not loose, because that changes everything on all of these adjustments. Quick tips, see what it does for you.